In this video, we will learn how an individual firm in perfectly competitive market chooses its output given the market demand and supply functions and the cost function of each individual firm. Question is, each firm in a competitive market has a cost function of C is equal to 2Q square plus 10. C denotes the cost, Q denotes the output of individual firm. The market demand function is being denoted by capital Q, that is Q is the total market demand, which is equal to 24 minus P, where P is the market price, while market supply function is being given by capital Q is equal to 12 plus 2P. We need to solve for output chosen by each firm in order to maximize profit. Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay. So what we are being given? Let us see. We are being given the market demand function first. That is total market demand. That is being denoted by capital Q is equal to 24 minus P. Market supply is being given by, that is Q is equal to 12 plus 2P. Okay, we are also being given the cost function of each individual firm, that is 2 small q square plus 10. We need to find out the profit maximizing output, that is small q star, chosen by each individual firm. Okay, so first thing is, in case of perfectly competitive market, let us say this is demand function. Okay, if I draw the graph here, this is demand function. Then we have the supply function. Let us say we have this supply function. We have quantity, market quantity on the horizontal axis and market price on the vertical axis. Equilibrium occurs where market demand is equal to market supply. That means if this is the demand function, this is supply function, first we equate these two to get the market demand and the market price. Okay, so if I equate these two functions, so that means 24 minus P, 24 minus P is equal to 12 plus 2P. Okay, transposing this P here, this 12 here, so it becomes 24 minus 12 is equal to 2P plus P. So this is 3P. 3P is equal to 12, dividing both sides by 3. So our market price will be equal to 12 upon 3, which comes out to be 4. Okay, so market price is 4. Now at this market price of 4, we need to find out the corresponding total market demand. That means we plug P is equal to 4 either in demand or supply function. Let's put P is equal to 4 in this function, that is Q is equal to 24 minus P. Okay, to get the total market demand. So we have Q is equal to 24 minus P is 4. So Q will be equal to 20. That means total quantity produced is 20. But we are being told what an individual firm will do in order to maximize profit. Okay, so we know profit maximization for individual firm requires that he equates the market price with its marginal cost. Okay, total cost is being given us. Okay, total cost function is being given us, like we have C is equal to 22Q square plus 10. First we need to find out the marginal cost. Marginal cost is simply the derivative of cost function with respect to output. Taking derivative of this function, derivative of Q square is 2Q, so 2 into 2 is 4. So we get 4Q, and derivative of a constant is 0. Okay, so we got marginal cost is equal to 4Q. Let me write it here. Marginal cost is equal to 4Q. Market price we already calculated, it came out to be 4. Using this equation, P is equal to MC. Okay, if P is equal to MC, P is 4 and marginal cost is 4Q. Okay, if I solve it for Q, that means 4Q will be equal to 4. Dividing both sides by 4, we will get Q is equal to 4 upon 4, which comes out to be 1. Okay, that means each individual firm in the perfectly competitive market will supply 1 unit of output. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.